Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix you don't have permission to add products in the current region. So guys, when you try to add products on e-commerce stores like TikTok shop or Shopify or any other and facing this type of issue that you don't have permission to add products in the current region, I'll help you how can you fix this problem and how can you add multiple products on your store. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you need to go back on your home screen, and guys, now first of all you need to open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your device, and if you're using mobile data, select 4G or 5G network on your device. And guys, now you need to go back, and guys, after this simply you have to open your app store on your iOS device. And guys, here you need to search that shop. For example, if you are using TikTok shop, simply you have to search here TikTok shop, and if you are using Shopify, then you need to search here Shopify. So guys, after searching your store, then guys you need to check that you are using updated version of your shop or not. So guys, if you need any update in your app store or play store, you need to update that shop to latest version, and guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. So guys, if still not fix your problem, then guys you need to change your region on your store. So guys, if you're using TikTok shop, then guys you can easily change your region on your shop from settings, and guys, after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is a region change on your iPhone. So guys, easily you can change your region from your iOS device. So guys, simply you need to open your settings and click on your Apple ID, and now you need to click on here the option of media and purchases, click on view account, and now you need to wait for some seconds here. So guys, page is on loading, maybe it take a long time on your device. So guys, simply you have to click here at the option of country and region. You have to click on this, and guys you can change your country and region as you want. And guys, after this your problem will be fixed by changing your country and region, and you will be able to add multiple products here on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.